Right, now think sometime we have to find the we have to solve this type of simultaneous equation. Right, now you can see the second equation, right? It has denominators, I mean fractions here, right? Here you have a fraction, here and here, right? When we have this type of simultaneous equation, what we can do, right? Now here you can see, now first one is normal, first equation, like normal equation, but here including fraction. So when you have like this, what we can do, actually this type of situation we can solve using three methods like that, but I will show you quick method. What the you have to remove these denominators, right? These denominators you can remove, but same equation, but you can remove this denominator. What we need to do, find the LCM of these denominators like 3, 4, 6, right? You know how to find LCM, but I will show you doing again here. 3, 4 and 6, I will find the LCM of these three number, right? I will get the denominators of this. If you have here denominator and here there is no denominator, doesn't matter, then only this and this, right? Like that. How many denominators you have here, so you need to write those here, and then find the LCM of this, right? Now what I will do, I need to divide by lowest prime number. You know this, so I will not explain much here. Okay, divide by 2. Here you can't divide, so 3 keep here. 4 you can divide by 2, answer is 2. 6 you can divide by 2, so answer is 3. Then again you have 2, so you can divide by 2, so 3 here, here 1, here 3. You can't divide no these two, and then again you should divide by 3. So here 1 and here 1, here 1. So now these are the numbers 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. That means by 12 you should multiply this all the terms, right? That means here you need to multiply by 12. Here also you need to multiply by 12. Here you need to multiply by 12. Now look, I multiply always the numerator, only one, not the ups and down. That means numerator and denominator both you don't need to multiply, only numerator multiply by the same number, then it's okay. Now how many 3 are there in 3? 1. How many 3 are there in 12? Is 4, right? Then again, how many 4 are there in 4? 1. How many 4 are there in 12? Is 3, right? Like that. And how many 6 are there in 6? 1. How many 6 are there in 12? 2, right? Now what we need to do, just get the answers for this. Now 4 into 2x, 4 into 2x, it will be 8x, right? 4 into 2x, it's 8x, right? Here 1, you don't need to care about that. 4 into 2x. Now this 12 become 3, so 3 into y, right? 3 into y, 3 into y, 3y, so plus 3y. And here will be 2 into 22, it will be 2 into 11, it will be 22. So this is the second equation again, or you can name as 3, or 3 same as 2. Now this is equation 3, I will name as 3. So first equation, there's no any problem, so you can use the same equation, and here 4. So this is the first equation. Now you can solve this two equation, right? Now the second equation I change, into this format. That's the thing I did here, right? What I did again, if I explain, get these three denominators, find the LCM of that, right? This LCM, and then by that LCM you should multiply this all the terms, this term, this term, and this term, and then after you can make another equation, actually not different one, same equation, equation 2 in another format. So then you can solve this too. You know how to solve this, you can get the answer then after, right? Right, okay. Now think, if you got this type of situation, now here first equation has denominator like I showed you earlier. Here you have denominators, and these are minus, this is minus, and like that. You don't need to care about this minus sign, just follow the same method, right? What we discussed. Now here we have denominators. No, actually here 5, here 5, here also 5, so you don't need to care about that. Two places it has no. If you get only one, that's enough, but I will show you doing the same way. So 5, 10, 5, no, we have, so divide by the lowest prime number 2. You can divide one number, you can divide no 2, so you have to divide. 5 you can't divide, so keep that. 10 you when you divide by 2, it will be 5, and here again 5. Now you can divide only by 5, so when I divide by 5, it will be here 1, and here also 1, here also 1. Now these are the two numbers you need to multiply. 2 into 5, right? So answer is 10, no? So by 10 you need to multiply this all. So when I multiply, look very carefully. Here multiply by 10, here multiply by 10, and here multiply by 10. Here how many 5 are there in 5? 1. How many 5 are there in 10? Is 2. And how many 10 are there in 10? 1. How many 10 are there in 10? 1. And again, how many 5 are there in 5? 1. How many 5 are there in 10? 2. This both divide by 5. Right, now what the answer? Now this become 1, this become 1, this become 1, so you don't need to care about those. Here 2 into 2x, 2 into 2x, it will be minus 4x, right? 2 into 2, no, so this one minus, plus into minus minus, 2 into 2, 4x, right? And here will be again 1 into y, right? It will be y, so minus y, right? Minus y. And here will be 2 into 3, 6, right? That's the first equation we make, so it will be now 3. Second equation is x plus y, so answer will be x plus y, and here will be minus 9. So this is the this is the equation 2, right? This now afterward you know how to solve these two equation, then you can find the answer, right? This is how we can remove these denominators. When you have this type of situation, keep in mind, don't need to care about the minus sign, just simplify it, just only get the denominators, and then find the LCM of that. By LCM multiply it, and you can make new equation for this.